Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up a box that is returning to our channel. I missed it. This is the Witch's Roots. So the Witch's Roots is, I think the company is actually called Witch's Moon, and they have a subscription called Witch's Moon as well. They actually have 3 different subscription options, and this one, the Witch's Roots, is all around like a specific herb, and it always has a theme, and these boxes are so dang good. I am so excited to open this. So I will link them down below, and let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So when you open it up, there's this right here, which has a list of all the items. And then you can see there's beautiful artwork. And then we always get a personalized oracle card. So they draw a card for each person. So how about we start with that? So this is what the back looks like. Triple Goddess. Balbo, is that how you say it? Emmy, come here. Emmy's always nearby me, especially lately. She'll probably make an appearance. She's been a little sick, but she's on antibiotics. We're doing better, right, Emmy? You feeling better? Come on, everyone wants to see you. Oh, she's so sweet. Come here, baby. Oh, I know you don't want to count, but okay. We just do a little Emmy break, even though we barely got started. You're so sweet, Emmy. Okay, back to this. Baubo, B-A-U-B-O. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Oh, cool. When you feel despair rising, Baubo, the Greek goddess of good cheer and mirth, will come and banish the gloom, just as she did for mighty Demeter. The blessing of laughter will lighten the load you have been carrying. I love that. Oh, things that were a little bit stressful when Emmy was sick and with other things. So that's true. Laughter is like such a cure. Wow, I need to look into her more. Goddess of good cheer and mirth. I like the sound of that. Let's see what the theme is now. The Bridget collection. Look at how I love the paper they're writing on. Look how much stuff you get in here. This box is like $24, but with shipping, it comes out to be $30, and it's so worth it if you're into this stuff. So let's see. With this long-awaited and unique collection, we work with the energies of the exalted goddess Bridget. Or is it Brigitte? I mean, Bridget, I'm Irish, and I grew up in an Irish community, and I had a friend named Bridget back in the day. Anyways, casting our intentions under her broad reach of magical energies and comfort. As Imbolc rests upon the horizon, we focus our efforts on healing emotional and spiritual wounds, letting go of harmful associations, and shedding the skin of our previous selves. As we step through this beautiful process, we are reborn and revitalized, prepared for the coming of new life ahead. Join us in January as we work with exclusive handmade items that are sure to bring inspiration and lasting impressions. The magical items in this box are as follows, and there are 10 items, 10 including the personalized oracle reading, which that came from the deck Blessed by the Goddess by Lucy Cavendish. I pulled out one of her decks today. The magical spell cards. I felt called to do so. Cool. Okay, so right on top we have an art print. But let's start off with the root, or the herb that's in here. Should we, or should we just start with art prints? Okay, we're going to start with art prints. We're just going to go in there. I'm so excited. So the first thing we have in here, so these are great. You can put them in your like Book of Shadows, Grimoire, whatever, or you can use them as art prints. I have them all around my place. Bridget's Cross. Oh, and look at that beautiful red hair. So this talks about her cross, which I believe we have one in here. Yeah, I saw it when I was looking for the herb quick. Let's got a little thing. So this is what Bridget's Cross is. Let's read about it so you can see right there. I won't read the whole thing to you. I know some people don't like that. It says Bridget's Cross represents the coming of spring, traditionally observed on the 1st of February, originally the celebration of the Celtic festivals of Imbolc, which signaled the weakening of winter's darkness to usher in a new season of hope and growth. So a timeless folk tradition, St. Bridget's Cross was commonly woven from dried soft rushes collected from nearby wetlands. I want to read this all so much, but I'm just going to go see what they use it for. So this is used to protect any building and its occupants from destructive natural and supernatural forces, bestowing blessings of year-long good health, prosperity, and well-being. This is awesome. I'm so excited. So if you don't know Bridget, she's from the Celtic pantheon, and she's a life-giving goddess associated with fertility, rebirth, and renewal. So she is associated with the element of fire, the heralding of spring and the reawakening of the land, the budding of new shoots, leaves, and blooming flowers, the birth of domesticated and wild animals. And then it talks more about this, but I won't read all of it again. But it's so informative. It's beautiful. I just want to read it all right now to you. Let me know. Does it bother when I read from things? Because back in the day, I got a comment or two, and I used to be more sensitive to that. But I honestly do want to film what you guys want to see as well. But I could just read the whole thing to you guys if you wanted. So let's look at this now. Where is it on here? Exclusive Witches Roots Handmade Bridges Cross. We are so proud and excited to include our unique handmade Bridges Cross to this very collection. Made from recycled paper, these cords were hand rolled and then tied. At the end of the top arm, you will find a place where your Bridges Cross can be hung. Strongly associated with Imbolc or St. Bridget's Day, this cross is hung above doorways, windows, and entryways to cast protection and attract blessings from Bridget. May this cross bring you renewed health and prosperity on the year ahead. I'm so excited about this. This is so cool. And then let's go move on to our herb, and we always get an art print for the herb, and it's Angelica root, and I don't have any of this, and I have like my own little apothecary going on now, and a lot of them did come from this box in the past. And also, I've got a lot now, and I just love it. It's so fun for me. So it gives you seriously so much information, and again, beautiful. Talks about the element it's associated with, which is fire, celestial influences, sun, zodiac signs, chakras, colors, stones, botanicals, animal association, magical beings, and then on and on about magical properties, and also the origin, other names it goes by. So there's so much information on here. It's so awesome. So Angelica root is associated with Archangel Michael, and it carries within it the power to heal, banish negative energies, provides protection. That makes sense with Archangel Michael, right? And inspire courage during times of uncertainty and angst. According to legend, the Archangel appeared to a monk within his dream, showing him Angelica as a cure to the plague in Europe. Oh, wow. This powerful root is now found within many magical recipes to ward off evil and most dominantly provide a true source of protection on your path. Angelica root closely corresponds to the sun and the fire element. It is an appropriate companion during the beginning of our yearly journey into the recapturing of growth and expansion. Yay! Now let's see in here. Here it is. We get a good amount. I put these in little jars, and I actually take this off and label the jar with it because it's so cute how they do it. I'm so excited. So when I get this new herb, they give us so much information. I read all that, and then I do my own research, and it's just super exciting. I really love this. And everything's going really well together. It always does in this box, seriously. Let's move on. Get some tea. I love tea. I talk about that. Every time I get tea, I'm like, I'm a tea drinker now. The Passion Berry Flame Ritual Tea. Resealable bag. Look at the cute labels. So this comes with also somewhere in here. Here it is. We have some reusable or disposable muslin tea cloth bags, which is really nice. So this is caffeine free, it lets us know. A wonderfully fragrant and sweet blend, this Passionberry Flame Ritual Herbal Tea has been placed within this collection for its ability to bring comfort and warmth. This ritual herbal tea has been created with cranberries, orange peel, apple, and tisane. Tisane? Is that how you say that? I should know. As you relax and enjoy this soothing ritual tea, allow your mind to wander into the future, and blessings and companionship that are sure to be on the path ahead. I love that. Then we have a stone. They always give unique stones. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, I don't think I have this, and I have a lot of crystals. And I know they're all still on my windowsill. Most of them are still on my windowsill from full moon, and that was a little bit ago. I should probably put them back in their place. Okay, I've heard of this before. Mookite. Mookite? Is that how you say it? Tumbled mookite stone. It's also referred to as mook jasper. Oh my god. I'm really excited. You seriously get unique stuff in this box, even when you're an avid crystal collector, an herb collector. I don't know if collector the right word, but you know what I mean. So this is a powerful facilitator of intuitive perception, allowing us to activate the third eye and connect with the subtle earth energies that surround us. This is associated with element earth and chakras 6, 3, and 1. That's interesting. Okay, so the third eye's and then the crown. Wait, I don't know. But yay. I'm so excited. We got some more things. I love when we get like oils and sprays by them. They're always so good. This looks like it's a spray. Let's get out here. They package everything so well too. Oh my god, this is such a good box, especially for the price. Oh my gosh. So the Brigid Ritual Aura Spray. So let's see what they say about this. I feel like I need to like sit back. We are thrilled to include our Brigid Ritual Aura Spray within this special collection, created with the intention of enhancing the inspiration and determination of spirit. This aura spray provides the extra push needed to remain open to new blessings and prosperity. We have created this aura spray with the oils of anise, clove, cinnamon, cedarwood, sandalwood, and a special mixture of our Flama magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. It's always, oh my god. I have used up actually a decent amount of their sprays, and I have some left too. They're so good. It smells so good. Cinnamon sticks out to me. Oh my god. It smells so good. I'm so excited about this. I should just put this in right now. You guys, I love this box. I'm so glad. I'm so happy it's back in my collection. I keep saying the word collection. And then we get a candle every time. In the Witch's Moon box, the one that's more than this, that's like $50 or something, you get like a larger candle, but this is like the smaller size. But they still burn really well. They're so good. You can just tell everything in here is like carefully put together. We already know that the theme's like so on point, but like you can like feel the magic in it. You know, like some items you get, and they just don't, you can't even tell if it's like a real crystal or I don't know. You know, I can just feel the energies from this box, and they're very good. Like I can tell they come from really like gifted, well-meaning like witchy people. Now, can I get this open? This is the Spark of Promise mini spell candle. They hand-rolled this Spark of Promise mini candle with the intention of attracting prosperous and beneficial experiences to your journey. I'm all about bringing that prosperity, baby. Yes. Let me see if and I love the color. And it makes sense because it's red. Because you know Brigid's associated with red and the element of fire. Oh, I love this color. Oh my god. Can I get it open? Here it is. So they also say, as you allow the flame to dance before you, take time to clearly speak your intention or request. I love this. And then last but not least, we have some incense. And their incense are so good and last so long. You can tell they're so high quality. This is my favorite combination. Frankincense and myrrh. So good for protection too. Oh my god, yes. Oh, my favorite. I love it. This wonderfully fragrant ritual incense sticks were placed within this collection to clear away any stagnant emotions, improve sharpness of focus, and uplift the mood associated with your environment. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft through your space, visualize any cluttered thoughts begin to dissipate. You guys, this is so good. Okay, we have 2 art prints that are super informative. Amazing. We have the cross, candle, the herb, the tea, incense, aura spray, the crystal, so much stuff. I love this box. Again, I said this already. I'm so happy it's back. I love it. Let me know what you think. Again, I'll link them down below. I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that. This isn't sent to me free for review. This was gifted to me by a friend. Thank you so much. You're the best. Yeah, that's everything, you guys. This has made my day. Sorry this video's up a little bit late, because it's like 4:15, right? 4:08 right now. So I'm gonna go upload this, put it out, and use all of my new stuff. I'm so excited. I love you so much, you guys. Thank you again for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And if you like tarot and spirituality and soon to be like a lot of astrology videos, check out my second channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which is always linked down below. But anyways, I love you. Bye.